copy. Okay, after the economy. So teacher, our topic for today is all about
Yes, I am
affecting the
learning.
economy.
Yeah.
Okay, this is about it affect the economy.
Thank you, Valerie.
Sa imong motivation. Katulad as makasawa, inspiration, how these problems can affect the economy. Yes, pero mag-ikot mo ba nga, okay, deliwa ka ikaw, happy. Okay, this is okay, it is all about, so to, basta natin affect the economy, nalilong ka ako. And then, kapag nag-review ka, may ikaw, Maria, yes. Alright. Okay. Okay, what is
University,
macroeconomics?
yes. Geometry.
Maria, ano? Okay, Maria, macroeconomics. Dapat gusto nila student na get the attention of your students. Dapat ikaw, wala ang mga strategies na kalimutin i-communicate sa mga strategies, techniques para get the attention sa ibang student. Okay? As much as I'm concerned, most of your students feel like boring, feel bored, and then, nakakalos na now. Kasi teacher, wala naman siya nakakuha sa mga student. You only focus on the, what are you gonna, next? What you are going to see next? Kasi wala na mo nakuha sa iyo, wala na mo na nakabantay. Okay, next. Morning. Okay. So na basa okay. Very good pa ito, Franco. Pero ang nagkansa ang objectives. Okay. But very good kaya ni siya get the lesson and then after magbasa sa students, okay, macroeconomics. So make direct ka sa macroeconomics. First, you have to ask the students, okay, do you understood? Before you proceed today, happy. Kaya para dito, ang purpose dito, sige mo, ask question to students is to get the attention of the students. Okay, para hindi na dito sila magsituan nila kung saan nila nagkabuhat nila. Okay, teachers should always ask questions to your students. Mahanap wala ikuan na question mo sa permi mo mag-ask questions. That's the strategy para mag-get ang attention sa student.